In this video, I'm going to explain the very basics of lighting and how to get started lighting your YouTube videos with just 2 lights. Let's get into it. So our first light is going to be our key light, and that's going to be the light that's lighting you as the main subject in the video. And you want to get your key light as close as you possibly can to you. It's going to create a softer light and it's going to give you a better look. So let me show you from another angle. If you look from this camera, here is our key light. When we're looking and facing our camera 1, it's at 45 degrees and it's really close to us. It's higher than eye level because naturally light is always lit. If it's from the sun, it's down. If it's from natural lighting, it's from above us. So always make sure that you are lighting yourself down. Don't have it at eye level or lower. You're gonna get really weird looking shadows. So let me show you a quick example. If we turn this key light off, what does our lighting look like? So this is what our shot's gonna look like with our key light off and our backlight off. So it looks completely different to when I'm lit properly. So now I'm going to turn on our key light and you'll see how good I look with just a key light on me. So now our key light is on me and you can see how well lit I look and how it's creating a very nice shadow on this side of my face, which creates depth for us. Now I want to show you what it's going to look like with me turning on our backlight, which is going to fill this shadow and also create a rim light on the back of my head and my shoulder, which will separate me from the background. Let's turn it on. And this is what we look like with our backlight on. Now it's really important that you get your backlight nice and high and coming on the 45-degree angle so that it lights up the shadow here and also creates a nice rim light on my shoulder. And then our last 2 lights we're going to turn on. We just have small little lamps. They're cheap. You can buy them from your local store and there's nothing special about them. It's just nice to have something in the background to light up your background. And there we have it. We have our lights on in the background. We have our key light that's lighting me really well, and we have our backlight, which is filling light. Now I want to share with you some of the lighting mistakes that I made when I first started out. One of the first things I did when I got lights for our setup, and we filmed for a long time with no lights on this channel, so you don't have to get lights. As soon as your channel can afford it, it's really nice to upgrade your lighting setup so that you can improve the quality of your videos for your audience. The mistake that I made when I first started out is I'd blast the light, so I'd have it on way too high, and that just overexposes your skin. So you can see the exposure on my skin is really nice now. But if I come up really close to the light, you'll see how my skin is getting blown out here because I'm way too close to the light. But as I move away, you'll see that the exposure gets better because I'm not too close to the light and the light isn't on too high. I normally have my lights on like 40–45%. So we're not using the full light, and we've got the soft box. So it's a nice soft light that's coming over the subject and it's lit really nicely. You also don't need a soft box when you're first starting out. We use cheap lighting umbrellas for a really long time. So you can get by with using cheaper stuff. You don't have to have a soft box and you don't have to have a fancy light. The light that we're using at the moment is the Godox SL60W. So it's an inexpensive light and it's really easy to get started with. If you want links to any of this stuff, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can check them out. If you have any questions about lighting your YouTube videos, you can let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be happy to help you out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you're new here, consider subscribing because we create new videos every single week, helping you start and grow on YouTube. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.